My name is Jeanne, and I live in Neenah, Wisconsin. We moved in 4.5 years ago, and it was starting to dip already. You could see it was tipped so bad that there was gaps by the front porch, there was gaps on the side, and it just didn't look nice. My husband and I talked about it, and he was like, yeah, get somebody here. And I said, okay. But the salesman came over and told us what would be done, what it would look like afterwards. He really knew what he was talking about, and he showed us what he was talking about. We knew that it was more of a problem than we even thought. Then the two guys came, and I mean, I couldn't believe how fast they did it. We had thought, oh my God, this is going to cost a lot of money. And I thought it was great. And we did it, and we're so happy we did. And many of the neighbors in the area have the same problem, and they have been asking about it also. And now I love it. And I feel comfortable having people come over, and see the great job you did.